Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Gran Dama, and you can see the brew goop here was completely off. It's kind of like the bottom fell off of it, and then it got jammed inside the machine. Um, yeah, it was really bad, so we had to work it out of there, and then we installed a new one, and now it's working great. So let's go ahead and pull a shot. We get a great shot of espresso. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Thank you.